This video is going to give comprehensive guide to cybersecurity. In today's interconnected world, cybersecurity has become a top priority for individuals, organizations, and governments alike. As digital transformation accelerates and the internet becomes an integral part of daily life, securing sensitive data, protecting systems from malicious attacks, and ensuring online privacy have emerged as critical challenges. Cybersecurity encompasses a broad range of practices, technologies, and methodologies designed to defend systems, networks, and data from cyber threats. This article delves into the core components of cybersecurity, outlines key types of cyber threats, explores the latest trends in the field, and discusses future challenges and solutions. 1. The importance of cybersecurity. As the digital landscape grows, so does the volume of cyber threats. Cybersecurity is no longer an optional consideration, but a necessity for ensuring the integrity of data, protecting privacy, and maintaining trust. The consequences of neglecting cybersecurity can be disastrous, ranging from financial loss to reputational damage and even legal penalties. Some of the major reasons cybersecurity is crucial include data protection. In an age where data is a valuable asset, protecting it from unauthorized access and theft is essential. Personal identifiable information, PII, financial data, medical records, and intellectual property are all prime targets for cybercriminals. Business continuity. A cyber attack can disrupt business operations, resulting in downtime and loss of revenue. In critical industries like healthcare or finance, such disruptions can have life-threatening or economy-wide consequences. Privacy. Cybersecurity helps maintain individual privacy, ensuring that personal information is not exploited or misused. In today's age of surveillance, protecting one's digital footprint is more important than ever. National security. Cyber attacks can threaten the infrastructure of a nation, targeting government systems, utilities, and communication networks. Safeguarding these systems is a matter of national security. 2. Key concepts in cybersecurity. To fully understand cybersecurity, it's important to grasp the key concepts that form its foundation: confidentiality, integrity, and availability. CIA Triad. The CIA Triad is a model designed to guide the policies for cybersecurity within an organization. The three principles are: confidentiality, ensuring that sensitive information is only accessible to authorized individuals; integrity, guaranteeing that data is accurate and has not been tampered with or altered; availability, ensuring that information and systems are accessible to those who need them, without unnecessary delays or downtimes; authentication, authorization, and accounting. AAA model. The AAA model is another foundational cybersecurity concept. Authentication, verifying the identity of users before granting them access to systems or data. Authorization, granting access rights based on the user's role and responsibilities. Accounting, keeping track of user activities, which helps in auditing and detecting suspicious behaviors. Risk management. Cybersecurity is largely about managing risk. Risk management involves identifying, assessing, and mitigating risks associated with cyber threats. Organizations must weigh the potential costs of cyber attacks against the costs of implementing security measures and choose the right balance. 3. Types of cyber threats. Cybersecurity threats come in various forms, and understanding these is key to building defenses. Below are some of the most common types of cyber threats. Malware. Malware refers to malicious software designed to damage, disrupt, or gain unauthorized access to systems. Common types of malware include viruses, programs that attach themselves to files and spread to other files and systems; worms, standalone programs that replicate themselves and spread across networks; trojans, malware disguised as legitimate software, but used to exploit or damage systems; ransomware, encrypts a user's files, demanding payment in exchange for restoring access; spyware, gathers information about users without their knowledge, often for nefarious purposes like identity theft; phishing, Phishing is a type of social engineering attack in which an attacker sends fraudulent communications, typically emails, designed to trick recipients into revealing sensitive information or installing malware. Phishing attacks often appear to come from legitimate sources, such as banks or trusted companies. Denial of service (DOS) and distributed denial of service (DDoS). A DOS attack overwhelms a system or network, rendering it inaccessible to legitimate users. A DDoS attack involves multiple compromised systems, often as part of a botnet, to flood the target with traffic. These attacks can be financially damaging and disruptive. Man-in-the-middle (MITM) attack. In a MITM attack, an attacker secretly intercepts and possibly alters the communication between two parties. This can occur over unsecured networks, allowing the attacker to steal sensitive data, such as login credentials or credit card information. Advanced Persistent Threat (APT). An APT is a prolonged and targeted cyber attack in which an intruder gains access to a network and remains undetected for an extended period. These attacks are typically carried out by well-funded and highly skilled adversaries, often with political or economic motives. Zero-day exploit. A zero-day exploit targets a vulnerability in software that is unknown to the software vendor or has not yet been patched. Since there is no known defense, these exploits are particularly dangerous and can cause widespread damage. 4. Cybersecurity best practices. Given the vast array of threats, implementing cybersecurity best practices is essential for minimizing risk. Below are some of the key practices individuals and organizations should adopt. 1. Strong passwords and multi-factor authentication. MFA. Passwords are the first line of defense, but they are often weak or reused across multiple accounts. Strong passwords are long, complex, and unique for each account. Multi-factor authentication, MFA, adds an extra layer of security, requiring users to provide multiple forms of verification, such as a password and a code sent to a mobile device. 2. Regular software updates and patch management. Keeping software and systems up to date is essential for protecting against vulnerabilities. Cybercriminals frequently exploit unpatched software. A strong patch management policy ensures that updates are applied promptly. 3. Employee training and awareness. Employees are often the weakest link in an organization's security. Training employees to recognize phishing attempts, use strong passwords, and follow security protocols can significantly reduce the risk of human error leading to a breach. 4. Encryption. Encryption is the process of converting data into a code to prevent unauthorized access. Encrypting sensitive data, both at rest and in transit, ensures that even if it is intercepted, it cannot be read without the encryption key. 5. Firewalls and intrusion detection systems. IDS. Firewalls act as a barrier between an internal network and external threats, controlling the traffic that enters and leaves the network. Intrusion detection systems, IDS, monitor network traffic for suspicious activity and can alert administrators of potential threats. 6. Data backup and disaster recovery. Regularly backing up data ensures that an organization can quickly recover in the event of a cyber attack, such as ransomware or a natural disaster. A robust disaster recovery plan outlines how systems and data will be restored in the aftermath of an attack. 7. Least privilege principle. The least privilege principle dictates that users should only have the access they need to perform their job functions and nothing more. This minimizes the potential damage that can occur if an account is compromised. 5. Cybersecurity technologies and tools. Several technologies and tools play a critical role in enhancing cybersecurity. These solutions are often used in combination to provide a comprehensive security posture. 1. Antivirus and anti-malware software. Antivirus and anti-malware software are essential for detecting and removing malicious software from systems. These programs can identify known threats and, in some cases, provide real-time protection against emerging threats. 2. Security information and event management, SIEM. SIEM systems collect and analyze data from various sources, such as firewalls, servers, and applications, to identify patterns of suspicious activity. By providing real-time monitoring and alerts, SIEM systems enable security teams to respond quickly to potential threats. 3. Endpoint detection and response. EDR. EDR solutions monitor endpoints, such as laptops, smartphones, and IoT devices, for signs of malicious activity. They provide visibility into the devices connected to a network and allow for rapid response to threats. 4. Virtual private network, VPN. A VPN encrypts internet traffic, providing a secure connection between a user's device and the internet. VPNs are especially useful when accessing sensitive data over public Wi-Fi networks, where attackers might otherwise intercept unencrypted communications. 5. Artificial intelligence, AI, and machine learning, ML. AI and ML are increasingly being integrated into cybersecurity solutions to detect and respond to threats more effectively. These technologies can analyze large datasets, identify patterns, and detect anomalies that might indicate a cyber attack. AI-driven systems can also automate responses, such as isolating infected systems or blocking malicious traffic. 6. The evolving threat landscape. As technology evolves, so do cyber threats. The increasing reliance on cloud computing, the rise of the Internet of Things, IoT, and the growing use of artificial intelligence present new challenges for cybersecurity professionals. 1. Cloud security. Cloud computing offers numerous benefits, such as scalability and cost savings, but it also introduces new security risks. Misconfigured cloud services, insecure APIs, and a lack of visibility into cloud environments can all lead to data breaches. Ensuring cloud security requires a combination of strong encryption, access controls, and regular monitoring. 2. Internet of Things, IoT, security. The IoT refers to the growing network of connected devices, such as smart thermostats, cameras, and medical devices. While IoT devices offer convenience, they are often insecure and can be easily compromised. Attackers can use these devices to launch DDoS attacks, spy on users, or gain access to networks. 3. Artificial intelligence and cybersecurity. While AI is being used to enhance cybersecurity, it is also being exploited by cybercriminals. AI can automate phishing campaigns, create convincing deepfake videos, and bypass traditional security measures. The use of AI in cyberattacks is expected to increase in the coming years, making it a double-edged sword in the field of cybersecurity. 7. The role of governments and regulations. Governments play a crucial role in establishing cybersecurity policies and regulations to protect citizens and businesses. In recent years, several key regulations have been enacted to improve cybersecurity practices. 1. General Data Protection Regulation, GDPR. The GDPR, enacted by the European Union in 2018, is one of the most comprehensive data protection regulations in the world. It establishes strict requirements for how organizations collect, store, and process personal data. Non-compliance can result in hefty fines. 2. California Consumer Privacy Act, CCPA. The CCPA is similar to the GDPR, but applies to residents of California. It gives individuals the right to know what personal data is being collected about them, request that their data be deleted, and opt out of the sale of their data. 3. Cybersecurity and Infrastructure Security Agency, CISA. In the United States, CISA is responsible for protecting critical infrastructure from cyber threats. CISA works with public and private sector partners to enhance cybersecurity resilience. 8. The future of cybersecurity. The future of cybersecurity will be shaped by emerging technologies, evolving threats, and changing regulatory landscapes. Some key trends to watch include: 1. Quantum computing. Quantum computing has the potential to revolutionize computing power, but it also poses a significant threat to current encryption methods. Once quantum computers become advanced enough, they could break traditional encryption algorithms, necessitating the development of quantum-resistant encryption. 2. Zero Trust Architecture. The Zero Trust model assumes that no user or device should be trusted by default, even if they are inside the network. Instead, Users must be continuously authenticated, and their access to resources must be tightly controlled. This approach is gaining popularity as organizations shift to remote work and cloud environments. 3. Biometric authentication. Biometric authentication, such as fingerprint scanning or facial recognition, is becoming more common as a method of securing systems. While it offers advantages over traditional passwords, it also raises privacy concerns and can be vulnerable to spoofing. 4. Ethical hacking and bug bounty programs. As cybersecurity threats grow, organizations are increasingly turning to ethical hackers to identify vulnerabilities before malicious actors can exploit them. Bug bounty programs incentivize ethical hackers to report security flaws in exchange for rewards. Therefore, cybersecurity is an ever-evolving field that requires constant vigilance, innovation, and collaboration. As cyber threats become more sophisticated, the importance of robust cybersecurity measures cannot be overstated. By understanding the key concepts, threats, best practices, and technologies discussed in this article, individuals and organizations can better protect themselves in the digital age. Looking forward, advancements in technology will continue to shape the landscape of cybersecurity, and staying informed and proactive will be critical in navigating the challenges ahead. This comprehensive overview covers key aspects of cybersecurity, but I can delve deeper into specific sections if needed. Let me know if you'd like adjustments or more focus on certain topics.